Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Science class. Yay! Hello, guys. Okay, you're here with teacher Katie. Wow. Do you remember my name? What's my name? Can you tell teacher again? What's my name? Teacher Katie. Wow. Say it louder. Teacher Katie. Very good. Okay. Before we are going to study, okay, we have to warm up ourselves first. Okay, ready? Okay. Yay, we are going to warm up ourselves first. Okay, what song we are going to sing and dance together? What song? What song? What song do you want? Why the bobbing up, right? Okay, we are going to sing a song Why the bobbing up together. Ready? Are you ready? Oh, yes. Don't forget to say oh, yes, okay? Are you ready? Oh, yes. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go. Why the bobbing up? Why the bobbing up? Pooh, pooh, clap, clap, clap. Why it back again? Why it back again? Pooh, pooh, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands upon your knees. Yay! Very good. Okay, we are going to sing one more time. Make it faster, okay? Are you ready? Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Why the bobbing up? Why the bobbing up? Pooh, pooh, clap, clap, clap. Why it back again? Why it back again? Pooh, pooh, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands upon your knee. Yay! One more time. This time we are going to sing this song super fast. Super fast. Ready? Are you ready? Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, go. Why the puppy up? Why the puppy up? Pooh, pooh, clap, clap, clap. Why it began? Why it began? Pooh, pooh, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together. 1, 2, 3. Put your hands upon your knee. Oh, very good. Okay. Are you tired? Oh, a little bit tired, right? Okay, okay. Ah, let's move to next slide, okay? Before we are going to study, I have a few questions to ask you, okay? Let's start with the easiest one, okay? The easiest question. I always ask you every class, right? Okay? This questions is how are you? It's very to answer, right? Okay, let's see the first picture. How are you? Very say louder. 1, 2, 3. I'm good. How are you? I'm good. Very good.
Yippee!
Remember this picture? How are you? How are you? I'm great. I'm great. How are you? I'm happy. I'm happy. Wow, very good. Okay, let's see the first picture first. Can you tell teacher Katie again? What is this picture? I'm good. Next. I'm great. Next. I'm happy. Wow, very good. Next. Next picture. How are you? Sad. right? Let's say it together. Sun. Sun. Look at this picture. How are you? I'm angry. I'm angry. How about this one? How are you? I'm sick. I'm sick. Very good. Okay, let's see the first picture and say in a sentence together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm sad. I'm sad. Next, I'm angry. I'm angry. Next, I'm sick. I'm sick. Oh, very good. Okay, let's move to next slide. Okay, this slide we are going to talk about flavor of ice cream. Wow, flavor of ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Absolutely yes, right? Do you like? Okay. Ah. Okay, let's see the first flavor. What flavor is it? The first flavor is chocolate. Repeat after teacher. Chocolate. 1, 2, 3. Chocolate. Next, what flavor is it? Strawberry. 1, 2, 3. Strawberry. 1, 2, 3. Strawberry. Next, what flavor is it? Vanilla. Vanilla. Very good. Okay, let's repeat after teacher again. Look at the first picture, the first flavor. Chocolate. Chocolate. Next, strawberry. Strawberry. Next, vanilla. Vanilla. Very good. Next flavor. Wow. I really love this flavor. What is this? Cookie and cream. Cookie and cream. Next, blueberry. Blueberry. And the last flavor is coconut. Coconut. Okay. My question is, what flavor of ice cream do you like? What flavor of ice cream do you like? For teacher, right, for me, I like cookie and cream. How about you? What flavor of ice cream do you like? I like. Yay! Good job. Okay, let's answer from the first flavor together. Okay. What flavor of ice cream do you like? I like chocolate. Next, I like strawberry. Next, I like vanilla. Next, I like cookie and cream. Next, I like blueberry. Next, I like coconut. Very good. Okay. Again, can you tell teacher again, what flavor of ice cream do you like? I like. Wow. Good job. Okay. Next. Okay. Let's see what we are going to study today. Wow. Look at this slide. Oh, the first picture. What is this? Cloud, right? Cloud. A cloud. Here, next picture is rain and wind. Okay, let's start with the first picture. Okay, we are going to study about the cloud first. Let's see here. Wow, the cloud, right? Clouds. Okay, here. Where's the cloud? The cloud is in the sky. Do you see the cloud? It's look fluffy. It's white, a little bit, and a little bit blue. Okay, here is the cloud. Okay, let's say, here the blue one is the sky, right? And the white one here is the cloud. How do you spell the word clouds? Okay, let's spell it together. C L O U D S. Clouds. Clouds. Okay. Where is the cloud? Can you tell teacher where is the cloud? Where's the cloud? Here, the blue one. Is it the cloud here? No. Is it the cloud? Yes, here, the cloud. Cloud, 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 and cloud. Okay, lots of cloud. Okay, next, move to next slide. Wow. Where is the cloud? Where's the cloud? Where are the cloud? Where? Where are the clouds? Where? Do you know? Do you know how do clouds form? Cloud from water in the sky. Right? Here. How do you spell the word clouds? Okay, let's spell it together. C L O U D and S. Wow. Can you help teacher to find the clouds? Where is the cloud? Here? Is it the clouds? No. How about this one? No, that is the building. No, it's not the clouds. Yes, that's right. Clouds. Cloud. The cloud. The clouds. And the clouds. Wow. Oh, look at this one. This slide. Here is the cloud. Do you remember how to spell the word clouds? Start with letter K, K, K. C. And next is letter L. O. U. D. S. Wow. Clouds. Clouds. Okay. Here's the sky, and here's the cloud. The cloud is in the sky, right? Okay. Let's spell the word clouds together. 1, 2, 3. C L O U D S. Clouds. Wow. Okay. Let's see. The cloud, right? What do you think? Look at this cloud. What do you think? What is this? What do you think? What is this? Is it a cat? No, I think it's not a cat. What do you think? Look at this cloud. What does it look like? Does it look like a cat? Does it look like a dog? What do you think? What is it? What is it? Bird? Is it a bird? Does it look like a bird? No, I think it's not a bird. What do you think? What do you think? It's a rabbit! Yay! Yeah, that's right. It's a rabbit. Look at this one. Look at this cloud. What do you think? What does it look like? Is it a tiger? Is it a cat? Is it a dog? What do you think? I will let you think. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. What do you think? What animal is it? Huh? Butterfly? No, it's not a butterfly. It's not a butterfly. What animal is it? It's a bird. Very good. That's right. It's a bird. Next slide. How about this one? How about this cloud? What is that? What do you think? What do you think? Is it a tiger? Is it a rat? What animal is it? What does it look like? Look at this cloud. What does it look like? What does it look like? Oh, look at this cloud. Is it a tiger? No. Is it a zebra? Zebra? Is it a zebra? No, I think it is a zebra. Is that horse? Wow, that's right. It's a horse. Very good. It's a horse. Next, how about this picture? Look at this cloud. What does it look like? What do you think? Is it a baby? No. Is it a cat? No, I think it's not a cat. What do you think? It's a what is it? What animal is it? It's a tiger. Very good. It's a tiger. Next. What is this? Is it a horse? No, it's not a horse. What do you think? Zebra? No, it's not zebra. What animal is it? It's a unicorn, right? Wow. Next, how about this one? Look at this cloud. What do you think? What does it look like? Does it look like what animal is it? What do you think? I will let you think. Tick tock, tick tock. I think this part is ear. This part is nose. This one is an eye. Here's hand. Here's a hand. And his tummy. What animal is it? It's a bear. Very good. It's there. Next. Look at this cloud. What do you think? Look at this cloud. What does it look like? What does it look like? Is it a fish? What animal is that? Sorry, what animal is that? What do you think? What animal is it? Is a dolphin. Yeah, it's looking like dolphin. Look at this one. Here's a fin, right? Fin. Okay. Here, this part is tail, right? Okay. Next, it's very easy. What do you think? What does it look like? What shape is that? Is it a circle? What do you think? No. Is it a rectangle? I think it's not a rectangle. Is it a diamond? No. What shape is it? It's a heart. It's a heart. That's right. Oh, very good. Good job. It's a heart. How about this one? What does it look like? It's a kind of animal. It's a kangaroo. Very good. Okay. That's all. Okay. The cloud. Here. Can you tell teacher again? What is it? Cloud, right? How do you spell the word clouds? Let's start with letter C, L, O, U, D, S. Clouds. Very good. Next. Okay, we are going to talk about what is it? Here. Rain, right? Rain. How do you spell the word rain? Start with letter R. A I N. Rain. Okay. Here is rain. Rain. How do you spell the word rain? Can you tell teacher? Let's spell it together. Start with letter R A I N. Rain. Here's the rain. Rain. And rain. Rain. Wow. Look at this one. Here. What is it? Where is it? Look at my pointer. Here. Do you remember? The clouds. Very good. Here's the cloud. Wow. Lots of clouds in the sky. Here is the cloud. How about here? What is it? Rain, right? Very good. Okay, how do you spell the word rain? Start with the letter R A I N. Here the cloud and the rain. Wow. Here it's rain. Okay. Wow. Okay. Here is the book is that how like it's rain, right? Here the step 1, right? 1, the vapor turn into the clouds, right? Vapor turn into the cloud. When it's cool, that turn back into liquid water or ice, or that we call that is rain. Vapor turn into the clouds. Okay. That make rain. Rain. Okay. Next. Wow. What is this? Wind, right? Again, everybody do like this and say wind. 1, 2, 3. Wind. 1, 2, 3. Wind. Do you remember this one? What is it? Clouds. And how about this one? Rain. And this one? Wind. Again. Cloud. Rain. Wind. Okay, let's see. This one, we call this one wind. How do you spell the word wind? Let's spell it together. W-I-N-D. Wind. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's very strong wind. Oh, the wind is very strong. It's hard to walk. How do you spell the word wind? W-I-N-D. Wow, wind. Very good. Okay. Oh, look at this picture. Wow, it's very strong wind. Ooh. The wind is very strong. Wow, strong wind. How do you spell the word wind? W-I-N-D. Very good. Wind. Okay, let's say it again. Look at teacher. Here, what is it? Cloud. How about this one? Rain and wind. Okay. Wow, look at this one. If there is a popping wind, you can fly a kite like this. Here, same as this man. There is a popping wind, right? You can fly a kite like him. You can fly a kite like this. Okay, don't forget to try it. Okay, fly a kite with your family. I think it's very fun. Okay, it's a good activities to do with your family, to do with your dad, your mom, your brother, your sister. Okay, to fly a kite. Okay, how do you spell the word wind? Let's start with letter W-I-N-D. Very good. Okay. Again, look at teacher. Can you tell teacher what is it? Cloud. How about this one? Rain and wind. Again. Cloud, rain, wind. Okay. Okay, game time! Yay! Okay, let's see what game we are going to play today. Wow. What do you see? A lot of number, right? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Here. You see a lot of number and colors. Okay, let's start with here. What number is it? It's number 1. Okay, how about this one? What number is it? It's number 2. Next, it's number 3. Next, it's number 4. Next, it's number 5. Next, it's number 6. Next, it's number 7. It's number 8. And the last number is number 9. Okay. How to play this game? Okay. Here, there is a picture behind the numbers. Okay. You have to find. You have to open it. Choose the number and open. And when you see the picture, you have to tell me what is this picture. Is it the cloud, rain, or wind? Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Oh, Yes, everything should say, oh yes, okay. I will give you 2 minutes to play this one. Okay, let's start. Okay, what? Oh, sorry. Okay, let's start together. Okay, teacher want you to find number 3. Can you tell teacher number 3? What color is it? Number 3. What color is it? It's gray. Nothing. Next, what number you want? Number 1. You want number 1, right? Can you do it? What number 1? What color is it? Number 1. Number 1. It's green. Nothing. Okay. Next, I want you to find number 8. Can you tell teacher what color is it? Number 8. It's white, right? Very good. I want you to find number 7. What color is it? Number 7? What color is it? It's pink. What is this picture? What do you think? What is it? Clouds. Very good. Good job. Okay, how do you spell the word cloud? C-L-O-U-D. Yay! Very good. Next. I want you to find number 5. Can you tell teacher number 5? What color is it? It's black. Okay. What do you think? Is it a cloud? It's not a cloud. You have to open it now. Yep. I want you to find number 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. What color is it? Number 3. It's pink. Do you want to answer? Or you want to open it more? Okay, I will let you to open more. Okay, I want you to find number 6. Teacher, what color is it? Number 6. It's orange. Oh, what is that? What do you think? Is it a cloud? No, right? It's not a cloud. Rain? What is it? Wind. Very good. Okay. Next. I want you to find number 7. What color is number 7? It's pink. Nothing. Next, I want you to find number 6. What color is it? Number 6. What color is it? It's purple. Next, I want you to find number 5. 5. What color is it? Number 5. It's yellow. What is the answer? What is it? Rain. Very good. Let's say together. Rain. How do you spell the word rain? Start with letter R-A-I-N. Very good. Good job. Okay, that's all. Okay, now it's time to do the exercise. Let's do the exercise. Yay. Okay, I will tell you how to do. Let's start with part 1. Okay, part 1. Okay, part 1. Write the word and match the right picture to the word. Okay, the first word, let's see. R-A-I-N. What is it? Rain. Correct. Next word. Let's spell it together. Let's start with letter C-L-O-U-D. Cloud. Next word. W-I-N-D. Wind. You have to write the word first. Okay, I will show you, okay, how to do this part. Okay, R-A-I-N. Rain, right? Okay, you have to write first R-A. Oh, it's not beautiful. You have to write beautifully. Okay, I-N-N. Rain. You have to find where is the rain. Okay, where? How about this one? No. This one, right? You have to match. Ooh. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Okay, I will let you to do this one 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, are you finished? It's very easy, right? Okay, next part 2. Part 2. Circle the pictures of cloud, rain, and wind. Okay, here, look at the first picture. What do you think? What is this picture? What is it? Wind, right? Next, rainbow. Next, cloud. Cloud, moon, rain, sun, wind, thunder, star, and rain. Okay, this part, circle the pictures of cloud, rain, and wind. Okay, for example, here, this picture, right? It's wind, right? You have to circle it. Okay. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes too, and don't forget to color it. Okay. Okay. Good. Are you finished? Finished. Oh, very good. Okay. That's all for today. We study about cloud, rain, and wind. Okay. Goodbye. See you next class. Bye bye.